How to freeze your location on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, open up Snapchat on your device and head over to the Maps section. Right now, as you can see, my location is available. So if you want to freeze your location, then simply tap on the gear icon at the top of your screen, and that's going to open up the settings. Now, if you want to freeze your location, then simply tap on ghost mode option. When you toggle on the ghost mode option, then your friends won't be able to find your location. So now here, if you just want this to be time limited, then you can tap on 3 hours or 24 hours. If you want this to be for a longer period of time, then tap on until turned off. So when this is enabled, your friends won't be able to see your location. If you want to show your location to your friends, you will have to disable this option. Once you have done that, head over to your settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps. From here, you simply want to search for Snapchat. Now tap on permissions. Then find location. If you have allowed location for Snapchat, then simply tap on don't allow. Now head back. So now if you open up Snapchat and search for location, it's going to simply say that couldn't find a location from your device. And in this way, you have successfully freezed your location. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.